It's no secret that Facebook is a powerhouse of organic traffic, and when it's used right, you can send hundreds or even thousands of visitors to your website. It's pretty obvious that organic reach is decreasing every year. Right now, it's down to around 3 to 6%, and as more bloggers and content creators promote their websites on Facebook, you are slowly being pushed out of the feed. What's more, as ad prices are increasing, paying for traffic is now a high-risk option because you're no longer guaranteed a good return on your investment. But the good thing is, Facebook is still an amazing source of free traffic. You just need to change how you use it just a little bit, because today I'm going to give you 3 stealthy hacks that are guaranteed to send you more traffic. So the first one is called the Facebook image hack. It's designed to make your posts stand out so more people click on them. Now this hack works on profiles, business pages, and groups. You see, there's a problem with Facebook. So if you try to link to a page, Facebook will automatically pull in the first image that it finds. It's also going to pull in the page title and some of the copy, and you might not want that content on there. So this is pretty bad because it doesn't give you much control over what's displayed, and if the image isn't striking enough, then it's not going to stand out and nobody will click on it. So let me show you what I mean. Let's go to the computer for a second, because I'm going to link to a blog post. And as you can see, the result isn't great. It's not an eye-catching image, and it's just going to get lost in all the noise. So I need to make this stand out, but Facebook is limited. So the way around this is to use a different type of post. By choosing photo video, you can now upload any image you like, but you need to add the image before you post your link. Otherwise, Facebook still tries to be too helpful and pulls in the wrong image. And there's also something else that you should do. Put your website URL in the first 6 lines. If you don't, then it gets hidden beneath the rest of your content, and then people will have to click on a see more link. Now, this is fine if you're sharing other people's content, but not when it comes to sharing your own. Now, when you put your link front and center, it stands out and more people will click it. Hack number 2, take a look at the organic reach of this Facebook page. Over time, it's increasing. Okay, yeah, it's a slow process, but nothing worth having ever came easy. Now, as the organic reach begins to increase, I can start to direct traffic wherever I like. I can send it to my blog posts, to landing pages if I want to build an email list, or I can promote products or affiliate links. But the thing is, I struggled with this idea for a long time. I mean, social media was just confusing for me. You know, I only posted when I felt like it, and when I posted, I only shared my own content. But the real secret here is to mix it up a bit. So how am I increasing the organic reach on this page? Well, for a start, I'm posting at least once a day, and it's not always my own content. I really am mixing it up a little bit. I'm sharing my YouTube videos, I'm sharing content from my blog, I'm sharing content from other websites. Sometimes I'm just sharing image content. But the biggest factor in growing the organic reach is with live videos. And this is something that I've recently discovered, and that's why I'm sharing it with you now. But the thing is, I don't know why Facebook seems to love these live videos. The algorithm seems to really reward you when you use them. And I've actually put this to the test because I've spent a few weeks uploading pre-recorded videos, and then I've scheduled them, and the results were okay. It was better than nothing. It got me going. But when I tested live streams, the results were just that much better. So you can see that the page here has grown by 53% in the last 28 days, and the engagement has increased by 24%. But you do have to be consistent with this. So you have to post a minimum of once a day, and if you're consistent, then the algorithm will slowly begin to reward you. Okay, hack number 3, take a look at the growth of one of my Facebook groups. Now this is exponential growth. How am I doing this? Well, it's really by teaming up with other people and doing a swap. So I promote their group in mine, and they promote my group in theirs. And this kind of cross promotion is win-win for everybody, especially the members of the group. But another word of caution, you can't do this too often, or else your members will become fatigued with all the promotion and then they will start to leave the group. And realistically, only groups of a certain size, of a similar size to you, will be willing to work with you and do a swap. So if you have an audience size of 100 members, don't expect a group or a page of 10,000 to work with you, at least not yet. And one more bonus tip for you, pin your call to action to the top of all your pages and all your groups. If it's the first thing that people see, then you're immediately pushing them in the right direction. But if you are serious about growing a popular and profitable website, then you're going to need more traffic. So I'm going to give you the traffic methods that I never share on YouTube or anywhere else. You can get them for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me, and I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.